Hello, ladies. Welcome to another wonderful edition here on Exclusive Styles. Today we've got a new set of designs for you for the week. And these designs are the trending shearer designs that you need to rock out and slay. Because these designs, they are designs that you can always slay for yourself and rock them. So I want to take them out, pick every of these designs you know it is best suitable for you to slay and also for you to rock. You can see this woman on the screen. It's on a wonderful and cute material showing style. She looks gorgeous, she looks iconic and beautiful. Here's another wonderful design coming from this Chevrolet. Okay, so these are South African dresses that you can always rock for yourself and you can always slay. So I want to say a very big thank you to you all for your support, for always checking out on all of these designs because they are top trending styles to slay. Thank you.
It's magic. It's Park City, baby. I remember when I was small. I say I want to be a big girl. Now I'm growing old. I wanna know how to be in love with you. Doesn't matter where you're from. It should be love, no get conditional. When I see your face, every time my heart keeps racing over. Yeah, we're all what's a song. This love could have burn like fire. Oh, I should, I'm more. Follow me, we go there together. Oh, I go stay with you, Titi Dala. Back where do me, Titi Dala. Oh, I go stay with you, Titi Dala. Back where do me, Titi Dala. Oh. For real, and I know that you see that in me. Take a look at this family tree. Bobo alalo my gem memorial. Take me with you anywhere you go. Whether night down or you roll. Hold me tight and don't let me go. Even when you can control. 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 I go stay with you, Titi Dala. Back when you miss, Titi Dala. I want to be a big girl. Now I'm growing old. I wanna know how to be in love with you. Doesn't matter where you're from. It should be love, no get conditional. When I see your face, every time my heart keeps racing over. Yeah, we're all what's a song. This love could have burn like fire.
So all my beautiful ladies, if you are a big fan of exclusive styles, please kindly like our video, click on the like button, and share our video to other fashionistas, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. So ladies, as you keep watching these wonderful styles, okay, so this is a mother and son beautiful styles. Okay, so it is actually a Shewe and Seshoeshoe dresses from the southern region of Africa. Okay, so we got these designs from mostly here on exclusive styles. So if there's anyone you know you love so much, you can give it to the fashion designers. You can make the design for you. But if you are the creative fashion designer for yourself, just get the materials and make it beautiful styles for you. Okay, so get a lot of occasions for yourself, maybe during this week or probably at the weekend. You can slay every one of these designs. You can also add them to your work. Probably if there's a future event you want to attend and you want to look good on all of these designs. And don't forget that we've got so many of these designs too on our website. Just click on the description below down this video to see our website so that you can save all these pictures. Okay, if it is difficult for you to screenshot any of these designs you know you want to slay, or you know that you actually like and you want to have the picture saved in your phone, so don't forget to do that. Just check out some of the dresses on our website. So it's very, very important. And don't forget that exclusive styles got your back. We keep pushing every day, every week, every month, and every year. Don't stop watching. Share and like this video. If you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. If you are the returning viewer, please kindly share the video. Let other people also see it and subscribe. So please kindly comment, share, and click on the notification bell for more updated videos. We really love you. Thank you and bye. Thanks for watching. You can click on this button to subscribe, and also click on this particular picture button to check more on our website. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Beats magic.